WE is an internet abbreviation for whatever. It's often used in casual online conversations to express disinterest, indifference, or lack of urgency. For example, I'm going to the party but whatever, you can stay home if you want. This abbreviation gained popularity in the late 1990s with the rise of chat rooms and messaging services. It is important to note that WE or we can also stand for weekend in some contexts. Another one, number 2, ENL, English as a negative language. English as a negative language refers to individuals who have grown up speaking English as their first language. They have a natural command of the language acquired through immersion in an English-speaking environment from a young age. ENL is often used in educational contexts to distinguish native speakers from those learning English as a second or a foreign language. Number 3, ESL, English as a second language. ESL refers to the teaching and learning of English in a country where English is the native language. Number 4, English as a foreign language. English as a foreign language refers to the teaching and learning of English in a country where English is not the native language. This encompasses a wide range of learners from the beginners to advanced.